round of counting and therefore everybody needs to hold their horses? Or are you saying the BJP is looking at this as a done deal and that you are home much better than you were in the past?
Well, good morning, Navika ji. Good morning, everybody. I had been very emphatically, I had said that in Maharashtra, the minimum would be 160 and we would get, towards the end, it would be 180 plus. So Maharashtra is clearly a done deal. In Jharkhand, it's a close fight, but again, towards the end, we would, scrape through. The thing is, in Maharashtra, whoever has traveled on the ground will not be surprised with these results, because in the last 2 or 3 weeks leading up to the campaign, while we focused on a very layered campaign, we had ideological issues like Ek Hai to Safe Hai, we had Ladki Behan Yojana, we had $1 trillion economy side. The other side was only and only focused on Muslim reservation number 1. The Uddhav Thackeray was obsessed with calling us Gaddar. Today has settled who is the real Gaddar, and the third party, Sharad Pawar's party, was busy orchestrating a Bitcoin scam. So the priorities were very different, and I think in most of these elections we peak in the last 2 weeks, which is what happened in Haryana, which was what was very visible on the ground in Maharashtra. So yes, Kishore Tiwari ji, by evening we will clearly have the answer who was the Gaddar in 2019.
Absolutely, that becoming clear who was the Gaddar, well, the narrative. And this is the time to talk about, you had the advantage, Sanjay Jha, of the narrative in the Lok Sabha elections, completely lost this time. Ek hai to safe hai and batenge to katenge literally has taken the wind out of the sails of the Khali constitution copies that were distributed and the Jatigat Janagणना.
वो सज्जाद नोमानी वाला आप भूल गए जो सबसे पहले देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने उसको फ्लैग किया. That has worked very well in Maharashtra.
Sajjad Nomani and Swara Bhaskar.
Well, there is one point here that the Congress has to do the heavy lifting for the MBA. I would love to look at where the Congress is doing in Maharashtra.
Well, right now Sharad Pawar is doing the heavy lifting.
And the second point
is arrogance,
irrespective, Navika, of the results. And I do feel that at the moment in Maharashtra, the BJP alliance looks good. But I'm not going to change my stance that batenge to katenge or ek hai to safe hai. It is a communally polarizing.
But voters have gone for it. 157th election that Sanjay Jha seems to have got wrong. 201.
But I could be getting Jharkhand right. I could be getting Jharkhand right.
Well, if you're all right, okay.
Understand these because everything else, is rhetoric. At the end of the day, we have data, and the data speaks volumes of the important factors in this election. Let's look at the 3 important areas. I'm quickly going to explain that for our viewers because everyone has to understand this graphic. Look at these numbers. This is where it's around 100. This is where it touches about 140. Which are the clusters where things have worked for the BJP alliance? This is rural areas. This is where the BJP debutants have come, and this is where the rebels have come. The most important factor is where the rural seats, the BJP alliance has picked up about 140. It's over 100 when it comes to the BJP debutants, which we discussed this morning. So change of face.
So see how this cluster works is, JVC. See, this is the rural. So the penetration into each cluster. We have put it into cluster, like say this is called as a rural cluster, SC cluster, rebels cluster, Pune metropolitan region cluster. Now if you look at it, BJP is often touted as an urban party, but look at the penetration in the rural areas. So as a result of which, it's not just about the 1,500. The agreed distress which we talked about, they also reached out to the Yojana. They said, okay, you are getting 4,500 rupees for soybean per quintal. We are going to do direct benefit transfer, extra 500 rupees. That has worked in the rural areas.
Because look at the comparison. This is where the alliance of the BJP is. This is where the Congress alliance is. So when you compare the MVA, the Mahayuti, this is a huge gap. It comes up to about 40 seats to about 140, 120, 140, I beg your pardon.
Okay.